Hi there, I'm Aidan Smith and I'm a BMW product genius. And today we're looking at the new i8 Roadster. The i8 Coupe launched in July 2014 and you'll see some familiar characteristics and features between the two vehicles. But this is the Roadster today and it looks absolutely incredible. So let's see what makes it so future perfect. One of the biggest characteristics about the car is the doors. You'll see these on the i8 Coupe as well and they're referred to as dihedral doors. You'll also see a design element at the back of this car as well, known as Streamflow, which through the i8 and i3 family, you'll see it everywhere. It's all about the design with a car like this, design and elegance. The hybrid technology of the i8 Roadster is what makes it so futuristic and special. We have two axles that can work either together or independently. On the front axle, 143 horsepower electric motor, and on the back axle, 231 horsepower coming from a 1.5 three-cylinder petrol engine. Together that'll be 374 horsepower and 0 to 62 in 4.6 seconds. Wow. One of the best bits for me about this car is the roof and how we can control it from the key. If I press and hold the key, I can operate the roof maneuver from outside the car. It's a total of 16 seconds, and if I wish to, I can control it from up to 31 miles an hour. A nice way to finish off this car and how special it is. For more information on the BMW i8 Roadster, please visit the BMW UK website.